In this video, I am going to talk about 5 foods that should be your breakfast every morning. Number 1 food on our list is oatmeal. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day and oatmeal is one of the healthiest breakfasts you can eat. Oatmeal is a whole grain that gives you 13 grams of protein in one small half cup serving. Oatmeal is full with antioxidants, vitamin E, selenium, phenolic and phytic acid. There are other nutrients found in this grain such as vitamin B1, biotin, phosphorus, copper and magnesium. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are packed full of nutrients and high quality protein and make a great food for breakfast. Vitamin A, B6 and E, thiamine, riboflavin, folate, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, selenium are all found in eggs, which are important for your health. Number 3. Yogurt. Yogurt is packed with filling protein and bone building calcium. Yogurt is a probiotic that contains good bacteria that are beneficial for your gut. Number 4. Nuts. Nuts are loaded with healthy fats, potassium, magnesium and a good amount of protein, so they will keep your feeling satisfied for hours. Moreover, nuts have been shown to improve heart disease risk factors and reduce insulin resistance. Number 5. Berries. Berries are low in calories and packed with vitamins and minerals. They are also rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which have been shown to protect against heart disease. Popular types include blueberries, raspberries, strawberries and blackberries.